In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring task in ClickUp. So if you have a task that has to be done, for example, every day, every week, or just always, and you don't want to keep setting it up over and over again, here's how you can create a recurring task. So first click right here on create a new task. Then here write whatever you want and choose the right project and just do everything how you are supposed to do it. So let's say I want to call it, and that's it. Then click on create task. And now as you can see, it is created. So now as you can see, it is right here. Now click right here on due date. And then here you can select the date. That's how you would normally do it. But we want to make it recurring. So what you want to do is click on recurring right here. And then you can say how often you want it to recur. So, for example, weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, so many days after, or custom. So let's say you want to do daily, select daily. So now as you can see, every day it shows that this task will be recurring. Then you can also choose these options, so for example, skip weekends, then click on save. So now this task will be recurring every day. So that's how you can create a recurring task in ClickUp.